Hello everyone, in today's video I will guide you through step by step on how to create AI generated contents. And what I mean by that is those videos that you might come across on YouTube or while scrolling on TikTok showing animal or history facts like the one you see on screen right now. In order to make those kind of contents, which are relatively simple to do by the way, we need to use some sort of AI tools. And I'm making sure to use online platforms that offer at least free plans so you can follow along this tutorial and won't requires you to pay any subscription. Here's our today's workflow. Using ChatGPT for generating text about animal facts. Then we will use ElevenLabs to transform the generated text into voice or audio. And finally putting all together with maybe some animations and effects using CapCut as our video editing tool. So let's get started. We open a new ChapGPT window and we write a prompt for generating our animal facts. Also be sure to limit the number of words for these kind of contents, so we don't want them to be that long. We want to create, let's say, something between 60 to 90 words. To make the fact a bit catchy, we can ask to start with sentences like, do you know that, this and that. And this helps a lot in getting the attention of your viewers, especially during the first couple of seconds. Here I also ask to prefix the output with the actual name of the animal, so we can have a short readout once we start generating tens of facts, so we don't get lost in all of the text. Also, while prompting, we can help to specify that we want to avoid inserting emojis. And finally, we tell ChatGPT to generate 5 different facts. We wait for the output. Okay, those looks interesting. I will choose the honeybees one. Let's copy it and move on to the next step of our pipeline. Alright, now we've chosen our fact text from ChatGPT, and let's move on to ElevenLabs. Basically, what this tool does, it actually converts input text to a specific voice and generate an MP3 file out of it that we can use in our video editing later on. ElevenLabs provide a free plan that allows us to generate a total of 10,000 characters long audio each month. This is plenty for our case, since the fact that we chose is roughly 200 characters. Let's paste our ChatGPT text about the honeybees fact. You can choose between different voices, accents, male, female, you name it. For this video, we will be using Adam voice, since it sounds kind of deep and affirmative. While this is a personal choice, you can choose whatever voice you find it more suitable for your videos. Once satisfied with our choice, hit generate. It doesn't take long to get the audio output since the input text is not that long. Once generated, we go to our audio and hit the download button. Let's listen to the result.
Did you know that honeybees communicate through intricate dance moves?
Alright, this sounds pretty good. Now we can move on to the final step, which is the video editing. Let's start CapCut, which is relatively easy to use video editing tool, and it has a free and a paid version. For this tutorial, I will use the free version. First, let's import our ElevenLabs audio that we previously generated. Let's drag it into the timeline. Since we are creating a video that likely will be played on mobile devices, on on vertical orientation, let's change the overall video aspect ratio to 9:16. Alright, now it's time to place a simple background video that represents the fact, which is in our case a video about honeybees. This looks good. Okay, let's place it on the timeline and scale it to fit the video area. Let's play it all together and see if it matches up.
Did you know that honeybees communicate through intricate dance moves?
Since the original video we chosen from the library is shorter than our audio, we will duplicate it and concatenate it so it kinda loop back once it finishes, so it covers the duration that we want. To make the video more interesting, we should add some background music to it, so it doesn't sound too raw or kind of robotic. We can go to CapCut Audio Library and pick up among different tracks available there. For this kind of videos, I will pick a background audio named Runner. And of course, you can choose whatever you find more suitable or import your own video if you want. I place it into the timeline on a different track, so it plays in parallel with the speaking voice. And I adjust its total length to match up the targeted video duration. I will try to decrease the background audio level so it doesn't interfere too much with the talking sound. I will decrease the volume by around -10 dB. I think it will be good like that.
Courtship displays involving rhythmic leg movements and vibrant abdomen patterns. It's like a...
Alright, now the video looks good, but we can make it a bit more interesting by adding text caption on top. In order to do that, we can go to the text tab and use the auto caption feature, which is available in the free version of CapCut. What basically does, it inserts text based on the overall audio in the video timeline. We can make it bigger and adjust its position. Also, we add some glowing effects so it pop up and add more contrast. To make the text show up in more interesting way, we can add animations to it. For this, I chose to add a typewriter style. Okay, everything looks good now. We can export our video along with the cover image and upload it to social media with proper caption, title, and tags. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you in future tutorial.